Hi guys, welcome to my review of Internet Marketing Alphabet. Now, this is something that I'm actually quite excited about for a couple of reasons. Now, first of all, you know that I don't email you every day about offers. I just don't do that because I only email out what I think is worthy of you guys looking. That's why sometimes you don't hear from me for a week. But I'm emailing you today because this is a really good offer. It's a really good bit of training, in particular if you're a newbie or new to the internet marketing space. This is 100% going to help you guys. So let me just zip down here like this. So this is the sales page. It's Internet Marketing Alphabet. I'm going to take you through the sales page. I'm then going to take you through some bonuses, and I'm then going to take you through to the exclusive members area. And you get instant access to that as soon as you sign up for the training. Okay, so this is a sales page. It says, do you know everything? No, I don't know everything. I know a lot about internet marketing, but I don't know everything. And this is where a lot of newbies in particular get lost because there is so much to learn. There's lead magnets, sales pages, JV pages, giveaways, Warrior Plus, JV Zoom, Muncheye. There is so much to think about. And if you've got no one helping you along the way, you've literally got no chance of getting anywhere. It's so difficult. But this is where Internet Marketing Alphabet comes in, because it literally shows you from A to Z, literally, everything you need to know about internet marketing. Okay, so this is the sales page. That is Dawood Islam. So he's a relatively new marketer. I think he's been around for about a year. I've marketed his products before and I love them all. And the reason I like them is because it's back to basic stuff. It's a bit like what I do. We don't do push button software, earn £1 million in 4 seconds. No, this is all stuff that works. This is long-term stuff that works. You know, a bit like my Fiverr Flipperdom. These things work. And what Dawood shows you is exactly the same. Back to basic methods. And that's where we need to be going in the internet marketing niche. Back to basics, because people have lost their way a bit, and that is why I like it. This is some of his sales. As you can see, he's not been around for long, but March 2020, $17,000. You know, that's pretty good going. That's I'd be happy with that. February 14, you know, big money. So what do you get in Internet Marketing Alphabet? You get loads of stuff, but I'm going to come back to that in a second. Now, what it doesn't show you, Internet Marketing Alphabet, is really how to focus on something. And for me, if you are in the affiliate marketing niche, you need to focus on a product to make money. All right, put one aside. For me, as you know, it was Fiverr and Flipperdom. Fiverr is I buy and sell on Fiverr, and Flipperdom is domaining. Now, domaining, there is plenty of money in that. So I'm giving you some very special bonus today, guys, and it's only for the first 70 people. And I mean it, I'm taking it down. There is no false sales here. 70 copies and it's being taken down. So this is my Internet Marketing Alphabet page. It goes live at 9 AM today, which is the 13th. 9 AM Eastern, which is 1 PM UK. Okay, now what am I giving you? 70 people only. Okay, I've never done this before. I'm giving you the full version of Flipperdom, worth $12.95. Okay, I've sold over 1,800 copies of that. It was deal of the day. There are people every day making money using Flipperdom. Okay, I'm going to show you how to buy domains, where to buy domains, how to transfer them over, where to sell them, how to write emails, everything. There's 8 or 10 over-the-shoulder videos that I've personally done to make you money. Okay, this is a business, guys, I'm giving away here. I've never done this before. Not only am I giving you the front end, which is really all you need, I'm giving you OTO1 as well. That's worth $29.95. So OTO2, I'm also going to give you, sorry, OTO1 I'm also going to give you, worth $29.95, and that is another method, but a much quicker method of buying and selling domains. Now, bonus 2, OTO1, is actually my main way of selling domains. And actually, I bought a domain yesterday, which I'm going to flip this week. And as an example, you know, I bought a domain yesterday for $11, and I would expect to get at least $125 for it. At least $125, which isn't a ton of money, but it's $90 for literally, it's gone about 15 minutes work. Okay, I'll show you where to buy them, how to buy them, what to look out for, what to search for, and more importantly, where to sell them. And there are millions, and I mean millions, of potential customers out there who want to buy the domains that I'm going to show you how to buy. So I'm going to give you OTO1, $20, $29.95, and I'm also going to give you OTO2. So you're getting the whole funnel, the whole Flipperdom funnel, and that's worth $47. And this is another way of selling domains. And this is Trevor Carr, my launch partner. This is how he sells them. And it's a really intense training. It's about an hour long, and you're getting the lot. I've never done this before, guys. You're getting all three, the whole funnel of Flipperdom for nothing if you get this via my link. So let's go back here. So internet marketing alphabet. Let me disappear. Oh, wrong one. Let me disappear. Right, internet marketing alphabet. 26 modules. It shows you everything from A to Z. Everything you need to know about online marketing. Loads of free resources. Honestly, really, really, really great course. You're not going to need many more. You're getting all these as well on top of my bonuses. $0 to $100 in 24 hours, 7 days to success, easy passive paydays, Printly, and how to make $100 a day on ClickBank. $0 to $100 in 24 hours. I highly recommend it. The others I've not tried. That, again, is worth it on its own. Really, really good product. Jono sells that for about $12.95. You're getting that for free. As usual, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, but you're not going to need it because it is super good. Now, this is the members area, guys. This is the exclusive members area that you'll get access to. Everything is broken down. There's an overview. There's all the A to Z modules, which is brilliant. There's a load of resources, how to build a WordPress site, CPA, domains, list building, Creative Commons videos. This is very interesting. Webinars. There's the conclusion. You get all your bonuses there. If you want an upgrade, it's there. You don't need any upgrades, guys. You're more than enough on the front end. If you want one, you can get one. You know me, I don't normally recommend OTOs because I don't think you need them. And you don't need them for this unless you want to. But the front end is easy. The best bit about this, it's $7.95. Cheap as chips. So this is my website, bobbydonlinemarketing.com. All you need to do, there'll be some links that go live here. Just click it. That will take you to the buy page, and then you will immediately get access to all my bonuses, which are going to be listed below here. Okay, you get all my bonuses, guys, which are listed here. And I've never done it before in my life. It's a one-off, and I'm doing it to the first 70 people only. And once it's gone, it is gone. So do I recommend Internet Marketing Alphabet? Yes, I highly recommend it. I've given it 9.5 out of 5. If you're a newbie, if you need some advice, 100% go for it. And the other thing I'm giving you in the bonuses, I forgot to mention, you get access to my private flipping mastermind group, the Flipperdom group. And as a result of that, you get to ask me questions about flipping. Okay, all you got to do is peer me in the group or on Facebook, and I'll answer it. No one's offering that value, guys. So that's it. I'm Bobby D, guys. Well, I really appreciate it. Please grab a copy via the link, and I will see you on the inside.